I searched how to buy shares of Goldman Sachs BDC Inc. to demonstrate the step-by-step process. Goldman Sachs BDC Inc. is a business development company that invests in middle-market firms. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker GSBD, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To purchase GSBD, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker GSBD to find the listing. Select the result that matches Goldman Sachs BDC Inc. and confirm the market designation is NASDAQ to ensure it's the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and read the basic description to understand the business focus. Also, check the price chart and confirm the issuer name shows Goldman Sachs BDC Inc. with the GSBD ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate and review the order details, including order type and estimated total cost. If the market is closed, your order may become a pending instruction, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example link and more information, check the description below.